Today, we're going to talk to you about preparing your home for sale to help you maximize the most amount of money that you can. An incredible showing can start weeks before your buyer enters your home. By preparing it for buyers to view it, staging has become the buzzword of the last decade. And if you don't do some sort of staging for your home, it's likely that you are leaving a lot of money on the table. The internet and staging shows are great resources to give you advice on how to prepare your home for sale. And my biggest tip is to depersonalize your home. Depersonalizing means to remove the sense of you and your family and create neutrality in your home. When a buyer walks in, they can emotionally check in as if it's actually their house. I'll be happy to offer you some additional expertise on staging at any time. Once your home is staged, the first step is taking care of the little details. They make a huge difference. The little details are all the things we just don't notice when we live in a home for many years. Take a moment, slow down, step outside of your home, and look at it as you are a buyer. Start looking for dirty sidewalks, cobwebs, old paint, overgrown trees, or shrubbery. Really step inside of your home and walk slowly from room to room and take notice of the little things that might get noticed by your buyers. Invite an unbiased friend over and ask for an opinion. Use these observations to create a to-do list to take care of the little details before your buyers arrive. The next step is to light your home up. Light and bright sells. It's been proven time and time again. Turn on every light you own, including your overhead lights, accent lights, lamps, every last switch you can find. Natural light is important too. Open your drapes and let the sun shine in. Lighting makes your home look great, the buyers feel great, and the results are 100% positive. The final step, no one wants to offend a homeowner, so it's important to resist the temptation to be present at your home tours. Buyers typically won't voice their objections to an owner or in front of an owner, but they will tell the realtor. The feedback that agents get from buyers is critical to identifying objections and what simple changes you can make to get your home sold quickly and close a sale. Our team at Premier Estates Auction Company has conducted thousands of showings worldwide across a wide array of markets, and we're happy to consult with you to help you create an incredible property showing and get your home sold quickly. To start, follow these simple steps and help yourself to a small fortune. This is Ed Kaminsky of the Kaminsky Real Estate Group. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon.